Hi everyone, quickly I would like to show you how to filter responses in Kobo Toolbox. Now I'm going to show you a sample before I go to the page in the filter. Now this is a question. This is a question. This is a question, and you see, what is your favorite fruit? You have banana, mango, apple, orange. Everything I selected comes here. You understand? So now then the next question, I can select any other option. Fine. So now I'm going to show you the way to do it is you cannot do filtering. You cannot do filtering online. It can only be done in Excel. In Excel, you need to do is to download else file. That's the only thing you can do. That's the only thing you can do. That's the only thing you can do. So I've downloaded the file. So what you need to do, you open the file. Actually, I've actually done it, but I'm still going to show you how I did it. Now, this is the Excel file. What you need to do, you need to come to the first row, which is where we have the function of each column. So, as you can see, I came here, you type underscore filter. Now, it now depends on the question you want to filter. For instance, look at the question. If you look at the question I show you on the line, what is your favorite food? So I want to filter whatsoever is selected in this question. On this question that follow, which is your best food? So now, if you are filtering, that's to tell you that if you are filtering A, and A has 5 options. A has 5 options. Then B that you want to use to 5 options. I come again. You are filtering a question. The options that you want to filter it with must have the same option value with it. Actually, that will not stop it to work, but that's the best way to get the result done. So now, what you now do is that in front of that question, in the same row, in the same column, you come here, then you under choice filter, then you type selected open bracket $, curly bracket, then the question name, which is the fruit. The question name here is the fruit, which is what I type in here. Then close curly bracket, name. So it's telling you that it's working with name, and the name we are filtering here is the fruit. So once you do that, once you type that in, then you go and upload it. So as soon as you upload it, I've showed you how to upload in my previous video. This is how to upload. You just come here and click replace. Once you click on replace, just come to download, which is this one that we downloaded. Now, let me show you. So now you can see that if you select this, it automatically show you this, so that you can come to the second question. But if it is not good to filter, you won't be able to filter. That one is used. So it's normally used for most often used brand and ever tried. That's what they normally use it for. And then let's see where the option with the logic is. You come here, you see under filter, choice filter. But this was not done in Excel. You will not see this choice filtering option. So it's not online. It cannot be done online. So it can only be done in the Excel file. So which is what I did. I wish you best of luck. Any further question about this, you can call me or you send me a mail.